Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to talk about how to make money in 2025. Guys, I want to tell you something. I know there is a lot of opportunities and opportunities never get end in this world. This is the world of opportunity. There are a lot of genius ideas out there. You can work on AI, you can work on Faceless YouTube channel, you can work on SaaS, you can be a content writer, you can do a lot of things in this world. You can even launch a logistics company which works between the Earth and the Mars. There are a lot of genius ideas, I know. Me, myself, I'm a simple man. My ideas are simple. I only do trade. That's how I survive. And the things I'm going to tell you, I'm going to teach you will not be any genius in it. There will be simple ideas. We'll be focused on e-commerce. We'll be focused on Amazon.com. We'll be focused on TikTok. We'll be focused on Shopify. Those will be stages where we raise money, guys. If you have $1,000, if you have $10,000, or if you have $100,000, we have a lot of ways, but we will have only one goal, is to raise our money. It will be that simple. We will use some data. We will work in Helium 10. We will work in Fastmost. We will work with exploiting topics. We're gonna be doing heavy lifting here, guys. I know there are a lot of YouTube gurus. They are going to teach you how to make millions in 20 minutes. Well, if you guys have been watching those and didn't get any results, this might be your channel, because there is no secrets, there is no shortcuts. We're gonna work and we're gonna find the winning product to sell. Alright guys, this is my info for 2025, so let's begin.